Do you have apples at home? Try this easy recipe and surprise everyone at breakfast. Grab a bowl and in it add 3 eggs. Beat them. Then add 150 grams of sugar. Stir. Here goes 100 grams of melted butter. Stir. Now add 240 milliliters of milk. At this point, sift 300 grams of flour into the bowl. Mix until you reach a smooth consistency. And to finish the batter, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Stir briefly. Now we'll need 420 grams of apples. Chop them all. Add to the batter and mix. Now prepare a rectangular baking pan greased with butter. Add the batter. Spread it evenly. Now just pop it into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. After that time, the result is mouth-watering. Let's take it out of the pan and sprinkle powdered sugar on top. And there it is, an easy and perfect recipe to surprise at breakfast. Look how beautiful and fluffy the cake turned out, and the flavor. Now just slice and serve with a hot coffee. If you like this tip, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this, and share it with someone who will also enjoy this idea. Apple cake has never been this easy. See you next time. Until then.